In the premium landscape of institutional asset management, generating a multi-million-dollar fortune is merely the initial phase. The ultimate trial of structural engineering is defending it across generations. While the public eye tracks red carpet appearances and entertainment revenue, a far more intense economic conflict is routinely fought within the quiet halls of probate courts. When massive global empires, anchored by film catalogs, historic real estate portfolios, and multi-million-dollar brand licensing contracts, are exposed by ambiguous estate architecture, the resulting legal friction can dismantle an entire dynasty. This is an exclusive operational breakdown inside the billion-dollar legal battles of Hollywood's most famous families. The unique volatility of entertainment wealth centers entirely on the valuation and management of media intellectual property. Unlike standard liquid capital, a high-profile estate is built on continuous streaming royalties, trademark syndications, and global likeness rights that scale in value over time. Without an airtight, independent corporate governance framework established well in advance, these intangible assets become immediate targets for litigation among heirs. Disagreements over commercial control and distribution percentages can freeze an entire enterprise, converting a highly lucrative creative legacy into a locked asset. At the core of these multi-million-dollar succession wars is the fundamental vulnerability of private family trusts. To bypass public scrutiny, elite family offices utilize complex, irrevocable trusts designed to shield wealth from probate. However, if a trust contains structural ambiguities or undergoes late-stage modifications, it becomes highly susceptible to aggressive legal challenges from competing beneficiaries. These high-stakes inheritance disputes routinely freeze the estate's liquid cash flow, triggering massive tax penalties and forcing the emergency liquidation of prime real estate or core company equity simply to satisfy immediate operational liabilities. The family office institutional defense. To preserve their hidden empires from internal dissolution, the upper echelon of Hollywood relies on preventative financial engineering. Elite asset managers deploy sophisticated multi-generational dynasty trusts, absolute control clauses, and independent corporate trustees who execute distributions with absolute mathematical objectivity. By removing personal emotion from enterprise management, these institutional frameworks ensure that voting blocks within media conglomerates or luxury real estate holding companies remain unified, preserving the central business blueprint regardless of personal disputes among heirs. The history of Hollywood's wealthiest families demonstrate a profound market reality. Without absolute structural clarity, immense wealth introduces immense institutional risk. Fame and cultural influence can build an empire, but only ironclad asset protection and disciplined succession models can keep it insulated. In the premium sector of wealth preservation, long-term dominance belongs not to those who generate the highest public headlines, but to those who construct the most legally bulletproof legacies. Advanced estate architecture remains the ultimate tool for multi-generational wealth preservation. Do you think independent corporate trustees are mandatory for safeguarding a global empire? Share your insights in the comments below. If you found this institutional portfolio analysis valuable, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more premium breakdowns of global wealth management, corporate acquisitions, and high-end investments. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next market study.